How to fool 100,000 subscribers. This video uses the same actor as the original except for these changes. For a refresher of the original actor, check out this video. Welcome to the TripleSgames deepfake social experiment. For the past 7 years, I have been using deepfake's artificial intelligence to create a false face.
And a false voice to hide my true identity.
Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. This is my brother Quilzy.
Hello.
Off and on, for the past 9 years, we have been developing the card game Stroop'd.
Stroop'd is a cognitive speed game that utilizes the Stroop effect.
What's the Stroop effect? The Stroop effect is the delay in reaction time between congruent and incongruent stimuli.
For example, say these font colors of these words as fast as you can without reading what the word actually says.
Green, red, blue, yellow, green, blue, red, nope, yellow, green, blue, yellow,
Exactly. This is the concept behind our card game Stroop'd, which is now live on Kickstarter. We love big group games, so Stroop'd was designed to be played with 2 to 10 players in 5 to 20 minutes.
Please help turn this game into reality by checking out the link in the description. Please help us out and share the Kickstarter link with your friends and family.
To learn the rules of Stroop'd, check out this video.
Thank you all for your support.
Nailed it?
No, you did not nail it. That was awful.
Where am I supposed to point? Here?
No. The pointing, you nailed it.
Oh.
The tone of voice was just awful.
I'm so focused on the point.
Okay, we'll start with your thing again.
To learn the rules of Stroop'd.
Start again. I wasn't smiling, and then as you start, I was like, for your support. That was awful. Show end logo. Oh yes. What was I supposed to do? Was I doing it wrong?
I don't know. You wrote the script. I know you were doing it right.
Say the font colors of these words.
Yeah. So
red,
it's green. No, it's
green,
red,
blue,
yellow. Yeah.
Blue.
I think you did it good because you messed up yourself.
Yeah.
I mean, do you want to start doing that again?
No.
After this campaign ends.
You didn't finish the sentence.
No, but I naturally ended the sentence. I didn't know where it was going, so I stopped it.
You edit? You think you can edit the scripts? Just on a whim there?
In 5 to 10 minutes.
20.
Fart. Just said fart.
Did you fart?
No, just like I messed up when I said that's the first time I've ever done that.
Why'd you say fart?
I don't know. It's just like I messed up. So
yeah, it's like the common phrase you say when you mess up, fart. Okay.
Well, I'm red in the face now.
It's okay, we'll deep fake it out.
I did pick my nose during part of it.
You think I messed up? I think I nailed it. Okay.
No, I think you messed up the words.
I did.
It's pretty good for being scripted.